Welcome to this brief training video on the Memsource editor Pane. Let's get started. In the left column we see the source, which we must translate, and in the right column we have the target, where we enter the translation. On the far right side of the screen we see the Pane, which contains, among other things, matches made up of the source text and its translations that are stored in the translation memory, or TM. These come from previous translations or from other translators who may currently be working on the same project. Three possibilities exist for the translator. If the TM contains a perfect match, they may accept it and continue. If one of the TM suggestions calls for a few changes, they may make those changes and then move on. Or, if the TM is of no help in this particular segment, the translator does things the old-fashioned way and types a new translation. Exact matches are 100% matches, meaning a complete translation unit has already been translated before. They appear in green. In-context exact, or ICE matches, show a match of 101%. These are exact matches that also occur within the exact same context. Context is particularly important when a segment contains only one or two words that might have multiple possible translations, depending on the context. In-context matches, like exact matches, appear in green. Automatic, or machine translations, appear in blue. Those are used for post-editing, which is a topic for another video. Now, we all know that machines are infallible, but they still rely on human input, which is why you should always check the TMs before you accept them, even if they're 101% matches. I've seen it happen. A translator makes a mistake, which is saved into the TM, and that original mistake starts spreading like a virus because other translators accept the TM suggestion without checking it. Check it. Beneath the exact matches, we have what are called fuzzy matches, which are matches between 75 and 99%. The translator will definitely have to make some changes to adapt fuzzy matches to the source text. A fuzzy match might occur between, say, two birth certificates from the same country. Most of the text is going to be identical, but the names and dates will be different. Fuzzy matches appear in orange. A no match is a segment that has not been translated before. Any match below 75% is also considered to be a new segment, or no match. Every time a translator confirms one of these segments with a new translation, it gets added to the TM. The yellow you see is an entry from the term base, or TB, which contains suggested translations for specific bits of vocabulary. The red is a forbidden term, which tells you how not to translate something. The purple is called a subsection match. It's like a term-based entry, except it's automatically generated by the TM. They're generally less reliable than TB entries. You can also add the fruits of your own research to a term base, but I'll explain that in another video. And you can also find a term by using the search function down at the bottom right. Other information visible in the window is the names of the TM and TB, depending on the segment we've selected. And a slew of metadata is also on offer, as you see here. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.